Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be giving you a quick morning update on Sbet stock. We are seeing sharp link gaming today in the pre-market session so far, falling by 11 cents, down by 0.73. Despite that being red so far, not necessarily too significant. However, I will be giving you my thoughts and opinions on what we might see into today's trading session and a few key things that I am looking out for. It's going to be a really quick and short video, but if you do like it, make sure to please leave a like and subscribe. It does help me out a lot. Anyway, let's just jump straight in. Now, in the past trading day, we have seen this stock obviously declining. On Friday, we were down by 3.21%. That in itself is somewhat significant, especially considering the broader trend that we are seeing on this stock at the moment. Stock is just dropping and dropping. We have gone from highs well in excess of 27 down to 14. At the same time, yes, in the past couple of months, since about May, the stock is also up huge. This was once a stock that was valued in the $2 range. Again, coming up to the highs, we were 10 times that or more. So yeah, things are obviously looking very good. In the long term, right, in the broader perspective, things are still looking very good. But in the short term, again, for people who may have bought here or even at the highs, what potentially comes next? Well, a few things that I would say. I think that we need to absolutely hold on to this level of support at 14.28. I think there is every possibility that we may come down to test this again today. I think it's absolutely possible. I think whilst we are seeing the downtrend slowly start to pan out, and again, that could eventually form a new level of support, preparing us potentially for maybe a cup and handle, or even just a point where we could see this stock at least find a new basis, right? Because again, with a stock that is up so big, it's about establishing where the new levels are, and we just see this one drop and drop. If we can establish this as a new level of support, which is entirely possible, then things are in a very strong position for more upwards momentum potentially. However, at the same time, you've got to be realistic. If this level, we'll call it 14.50, does not hold up, I think there's every possibility that we're going to be going down to roughly the $11.50 range, $11.70 maybe even, and if not, down to $9 or less. Now that would be a significant decline. However, is it likely? Is it possible? Well, of course it's possible, but is it likely? It very much depends on what happens in the next few days. Again, if we see this trend start to pan out, if we see the downwards pressure actually slow down, then things could be in a very different position. Bear in mind, this stock is very much coming into the oversold territory now on the RSI over the last couple of days. So, is it likely that we could see this one find a support soon? Hopefully it is. And again, if we see today be a relatively flat day, which it is entirely possible it could be, and if we remain above these levels, then we start to begin to ask the question, is this a nice level of consolidation forming? It absolutely could be. But if we don't see that and we drop below these key levels, I think there's every likelihood that we drop significantly lower. That's just my thoughts on it, guys. You may agree, you may disagree. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope I'll see you again in another video very soon. Goodbye.